Hi, hopes you are having a good time. This is Victor Lake from Cluevest. Today we are going to talk about the Bowwe. I just want to show you a Bowwe. Actually, this is a kind of platform in which you can actually build websites, landing pages, CV, and I think you can build portfolio website and macro pages and also the blog. And this is actually a software which we are using to our website, the cluevest.com is actually built in this software, and we are using this from last almost I think 3 years. And I just want to show you around, and it's something is maybe for you, because I know like many people, most specifically small businesses, struggle and spend a lot of time and budget and energy just like to figure it out, like if they can have some kind of website which is SEO optimized and which can help them to get some customers and can help them to promote their business. And website is a very important marketing element in your business. If you want to connect with people online, like especially with the customers, and if you also want to promote your business online, then website is a way to go. And so our website is built in Bowwe. I'm going to show you around a little bit about our website, and also in the back end of the platform, like how it looks like and how easy it is to use. Honestly speaking, before actually Bowwe, I have tried some other tools, but I found this easy to use and it's very customizable. Like if you really want to adjust your design as you want, then it's really easy to do in Bowwe. But there are other alternatives are also available in the market, but comparing to the features and price, this is the best option so far I found in the market. And this is something we are using from last 3 years, and I'm satisfied, and that's the reason I'm here to actually to give you some to show you around. And then something is good for you, then it's good for you, then it's good for everyone, I think, especially for your customers. Okay, let's talk a little bit about their main page. So it's a create your best website ever with Bowwe. So you can actually build a website, and then you can build landing pages. Wow, you can build landing pages here. You can build micro pages. Micro pages are some kind of pages like if you have on the social media, specifically like Instagram, and you can have like a social profile, or on X or on TikTok, something. And then you can build your portfolio website. If you are any kind of professional selling your services, then it's really good to have a portfolio website. And then if you are a professional, like a job professional or in the job market, then probably it's a way to go, like to have a CV, like it's called a digital CV. It's the now trend to have a digital CV, and you stand out from the other people, so it's really good. And then you can have your blog. If you are blogging, or if you need a blog in your business, then something you can do here in Bowwe as well. And then I think they are working to launch online store. Then it would be easy, or it will be very it would be very easy to actually to have an online store and to have an e-commerce on the Bowwe, on the same platform on which you want to have your website, or you want to have like your portfolio website or CV. And let's talk about the website, because I have only utilized website and landing pages, so I'm going to talk only the things which we are utilizing in our business. But everything actually are there, but I haven't tried them, because we don't need this in our business. But it's all in one products in under one roof. That's really good. So actually this platform is most specifically used by designers and web developers and agencies, because it's really easy actually to design the things, because I really like the design. I'm by myself also a designer, not as a professional, but I really like to design, I really like to code, I really like to build the things, I really like to build the apps, and it's really easy actually to when if you build in Figma, you know like what I'm talking about. And then it's really easy to just like to bring out your designs and customize the code in Bowwe, and you can actually build your design perfectly as you want in Bowwe. I'm going to show you soon. I'm just like to showing you around here, just like to so create without any limits. I mean, it's really easy actually to customize the things I'm going to show you soon. So it's really easy actually to adjust how you wanna like add more columns or sections or areas or padding or margins, it's really easy. No, you do not need to have a programming skills or coding skills, and you can build still a very good website. That's amazing. So they have like a lot of templates. When you actually become a customer, you can actually utilize their pre-designed templates that really make life easy. But I am a designer. I actually built everything in Figma, and then actually built the whole website in Bowwe. But you can actually use the templates, and then it actually saves you a lot of time. And also, if you are not a designer, then it's better to use the templates than actually to try to learn the Figma or build design. And if you really are not pro designer, you're not going to even design a good website, then it's better to use the templates. So it's all up to you, but they have like a really good template. You can actually just like log in and use the template and just like push your text, and you're done. Maybe like in a one day your website is done with everything. So create from scratch. This is something which I did actually, to build everything from scratch. So I'm going to show you like how easy it is to build everything. And then the free pictures, if you are going to utilize pictures, this is something you're going to need definitely in your project, and they have like a lot of free pictures. And then you can add animations. This is something like really good. If you want to add animations in text or in other web elements, this is something you can do. And this is really good. This is something like advanced things, or like things which are relevant with the market, like a market fit, and this is something you're going to need. And the most important thing, because nowadays businesses are a little bit more global. Even like we as a consulting firm, we have like office in Texas, our head office in Dallas, and then we also have a like a EU office like in Europe, it's in Sweden. So in Sweden, like it's a Swedish, and in USA, or even in the global market, so it's English. So I mean, like the businesses are now much more global, and if you are definitely going to need like at least 2 or 3 languages in your main market, and this is something you can build inside the Bowwe. I remember our previous website was in WordPress, and then I was using, I think, like a language plugin, and I was paying, I think, something $120 per year to actually to have a multi-language feature. So this is something is included in this. This is something I really appreciated, and this is something you are going to need. So these are like advanced features which really is going to save you a lot of money, and at the same time it's much easy, and at the same time you can reach out to more customers. Like if your website is in more languages, you can reach out to more markets, more customers. This is something you definitely need to consider if you are global business. You should become a global business if you are not. And then it's really easy to do the SEO. I'm going to show you a little bit if I get a time, because I do not want to make this video too long, but we will definitely try to work to go backside like how easy it is to do. And then coding and hosting, actually hosting is included everything in this platform, and coding is like there. I didn't find any kind of problem with my website. It's very fast to download. It's very fast to move around in different pages. It means like code is really clean, and I'm not having any kind of problem with my website. So security, this is really something very important for you. And other thing is like your website is you do not need to spend a lot of time on the upgrades, because if you have used WordPress, you know how much time actually it takes you to keep everything updated, different plugins and different security features. Otherwise things can be like broken here and there if you are coming from the WordPress, or if you have used, you know what I'm talking about. And then other thing is mobile ready, because if you know Google do not rank the website if your website is not mobile optimized. This is something you need to consider. And here in Bowwe, actually it's really easy to customize the website for the mobile. If you definitely going to need to actually optimize your website for the mobile, and it's really easy to do this in Bowwe. I'm going to show you a little bit, not too much, but we definitely get time for this. And then there are a lot of integrations if you want to, if you need to integrate with different kind of other platforms and software that you are using in your business, you can definitely integrate them with the Bowwe. And so then there are some clients you can see here on the website, and this is how it looks. So it's simple, like you can build websites, landing pages, micro page, portfolio, and your CV. So let's now dive back. I just want to show you our website. This is actually our website, cluevest.com. We are in the management consulting firm, and we are a leading firm in the southern states and also around the world. We have like customers in 45 countries. And this website, I'm not going to talk more about our business or our customers, but I'm just gonna show you the Bowwe platform. And this website is actually built in Bowwe. You can see it looks really easy. It looks really professional. Actually, I design in Figma, and then I bring my design in Bowwe, and then build it up everything here in Bowwe. You can see like design and everything is really very good looking, and at the same time it's easy to build. I'm going to show you a little bit on the back side. You can go and see this whole website because there are a lot of pages. It's a very big project. It looks very easy, but it's not. So I'm not going to spend too much time to showing you the whole website, and this is not actually the purpose for this video even. So I'm going to dig now deep in the platform. Let's go back in the platform. So this is actually the website which is built, which I showed you. Let's like one page is built actually here in Bowwe. And let's show you a little bit around here. Like this is a creative, like you can bring any widget here, and it's very easy to build. I'm not going to destroy our website now, but it's really easy actually to build, and it's really easy actually the blogging feature here, and also the social media and external apps. If you want to bring the external apps, these are here. So it's really easy, like you can bring columns, menu, buttons, and forms. It's really easy. And then here are the pages. So here are all the pages actually which we have built, and it's really easy actually. If you want to create more pages, just like add new page. And then a good thing in Bowwe which I found is you can actually clone the pages, and you can also like copy the whole section and just like paste in a new page. It's really easy. Like if your website is going to look like the same like every page, you just build one page and just like clone the page and just like copy paste and just like edit the text, and then it's really easy like to build the website really fast. And let's go to back a little bit about the SEO. So here is actually the SEO. This is really easy, like to write here the meta description and page title, and here you add SEO words. So it's really easy actually to do the SEO, and here like to adjust for the social media. So this is something like you're going to need actually to have like a very good SEO for your website, and it's really easy like to do per page SEO for each page, like to rank them for different keywords. So it's really easy. And then here is actually the files manager. This is here actually you can bring your pictures and icons and every stuff, and then just like upload on your website. And then here are the styles. Actually this is the very first thing you need to do when you actually start to build your projects. You are going to build your styles, like main colors and font, and what would be the size, and how you want to do like heading 1 and heading 2, what would be the size of them, and how much like a spaces between them. So here actually the main things, and you need just to do one thing, and then just like you put your all the stuff in the website, and automatically like by default according to this style is going to be look like exactly how you actually put it here. So this is something you need to do actually in the beginning. So this is something is then domain stats. Here actually you can see domain stats. I have never seen, I don't know how it looks like. because we are using another external tool. But here you can see like total visits, unique visits, visit peak time. It's good, like you have like a whole like kind of visit by time. Wow, I have never seen, because we are using another tool, and there we see all the statistics. But this is something really interesting. If you are going to, you're going to need a lot of details about your customers and from where they are coming and ability details. That's really good. I think that's I really appreciate it. I never knew this is there, but this is something really good. So this is something you should try. I think it's really easy to build your website. I showed you our website. This one is actually built in Bowwe. It's super easy. You can see it's super professional. All the pages, you can go look around. I'm not going to show you the whole website because it is going to take too much time, but I just want to say it's really easy to build website in Bowwe, and it's really easy actually to do SEO, and it's really as easy to see the statistics, like how much how good or bad your website is doing, like the visitors and conversion and blah blah blah. And this is something and something I want to talk more specifically, like how long it is going to take time to build the website in Bowwe. It depends like the kind of complexity of your project, and also depends kind of SEO you want to do and kind of design, because design can be simple and at the same time design can be too complex depending on what kind of things you want to build. But for our project, this Cluevest.com, like there are a lot of pages and there was like a lot of design, like kind of modern design, and a lot of like embedded forms. You can go look it around, because I'm not going to show you. But for us, this project took almost like 2 weeks, and this is the standard time. I think if you really want to build a good stuff, a good thing, a good brand or good website, it is going to take averagely around 2 weeks. But again, it depends upon your project. It depends what kind of complexity you have in your project, and at the same time how many pages they are. If there is only one page, I think it should be done in 3 hours or 2 hours, depending on what kind of things you are building. But if it's a website with a lot of pages and a lot of complexities, and also you're going to integrate with different technologies, you are going to embed different kind of e-commerce features or e-commerce forms or marketing forms or marketing automation, then standard is up 2 weeks minimum. It can take 3 weeks, but for us, this to build Cluevest.com is took around not around, actually exactly 2 weeks and 1 day. So this is something you need to consider when you are planning your resources. So I hope you find this tutorial or video useful, and I would highly encourage if you just give it a try, because this is really good software, and I have tried many different website platforms, and I even own many different platforms still, but we are also using the Bowwe. Bowwe is also a really good platform, and I would say just give it a try. If something you feel easy, convenient to use, then that's best for you, specifically for your customer. And if you like this video, please thumb it up, and also please subscribe our channel, and just like let's support each other. And then I'm going to make more videos for other business tools which we are using. I think we are using around 103 business tools in our business. That's amazing. So it's a lot of things we are using, so that would be really good if I make videos for all the tools. So it would be helpful for you, and so just like please subscribe and please thumb it up for this video, and thank you very much and have a good day. See you around, and bye.